Welcome on our channel, KHSE Akbar Jilani. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel. If you are our existing subscriber, please watch the video from start up to the end. In this video, we will discuss the famous HSE courses. If you want to start your career in the HSE, what is the proper path for to follow to achieve HSE courses one by one and to get good jobs in HSE. HSE courses from beginner to expert level certification, so you can choose the right path. Now HSE course guidelines. IOSH, we have NEBOSH, NVQ, OTHAM. Which HSE course is best? So now we will give just the guidance which course we have to start. We will cover all major HSE qualifications, including IOSH, NEBOSH, NVQ, OTHAM, and lead registered courses. IOSH, this is UK course from the Institute of Occupational Safety and Health, and is international course from the UK. IOSH course like managing safely are ideal for beginner and supervisor. For this course, this is only 3 days course and 2 papers are there. One is a paper, MCQs, and the second one is a assessment, means workplace practical. So if you having in intermediate, matric intermediate or something, graduation, so you can have this course. Only 3 days course. And from our institute we also provide this course. Then NEBOSH IGC. Next is National Examination Board and Occupational Safety and Health International General Certificate. This is one of the most recognized qualification globally. Having one paper, open book, 24 hours, passing marks is 45. And closing interview will be there. After the exam, 10 days will be the closing interview. The interview will be on your question paper. What you have attempted the paper, from this paper, 3-4 questions will be asked and the interview will be online. Practical assessment, GIG 2, GIC 2, passing marks 60%. Before it was 100%. So this time it became easy for you people. So only 60%. For this, there is no age limits, but the age will be more than like 18 and no qualification required for IOSH as well as NEBOSH. After this, we have this is the 8 days classes. Only online classes also available with us, and physical classes also available with us from Aspire Training and Management Consultancy, Abu Dhabi. NEBOSH diploma is also a very good course. This a diploma is not a course. So it's a level 6 qualification and is equal to graduation. After this, we have OTHAM level 6 and level 7. OTHAM qualification level 6 and 7 are equivalent to degree in master level. Level 6 is degree level, BSc, and level 7 is master level qualification. There are no classes, only assessment base or assignment base. Diplomas are there. They are assigned. Diplomas are there. NVQ level 6 diploma. NVQ level 6 diploma are competency-based qualification, perfect for expert professionals. The duration is 6 months. Level 6 is for the graduate level, and 7 is the master level. Lead detailed course is also, you have 5 days course ISO 45001 2018, only 5 days course, and online exam will be there, 2 hours. So now we are taking the conclusion. Beginner IOSH, intermediate NEBOSH IGC, then advanced diploma, NVQ, OTHAM. Choose based on your experience and career. Thank you very much. If you need any guidance, you can contact us. Thank you very much, and we'll see you with the next video.